Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming permissions and gear. Make sure the mode allows continuity edits and that you have 0, 5 or 0 continuity components. Next, equip the blade with the lightest, lowest continuity parts so the base stat drops immediately. Once done, enter the practice arena and switch to precise input mode so you can measure micro adjustments. This prepares you to change values without interference. You'll see the real-time stat overlay, which is essential for the quick iterations that follow. You now fine-tune by adjusting attachment positions and part offsets in small increments. Move components by 0, 1 steps while watching the overlay. If continuity remains above 0, swap to alternative cores or trim connectors to eliminate residual continuity contributions. Once you hit 0, make a save checkpoint immediately because small changes later can revert it. Then test with a single slow swing. This isolates continuity effects. If the reading jumps, backtrack to the last checkpoint and repeat the micro adjustments until the readout holds steady. You finish by locking all attachment points and verifying global physics settings. Do not reintroduce continuity. Then run a 10-swing sequence to confirm stability. If continuity rises during extended testing, reset to the last checkpoint and retrim connectors in even smaller increments. Sometimes 1/10 of the previous change fixes it. Make sure cosmetic mods are off, because they can add hidden continuity. If needed, reassign weight distribution to counteract residual values.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.